the No-Mark dog and cam block wheel lock system. This is our patented proprietary system. This allows our tire machines to have waist high bead braking, and the dog and cam blocks were designed for all standard, sport, and sport touring wheels. So what that means is mostly low profile type rims, mostly tubeless rims, and we're going to go over how they adjust and why they are the way they are. So I'm going to unlock this wheel and we're going to show you what we have. We have two dog blocks and a locking cam. The cam will cinch the wheel. Large adjustments are done through the holes. This changer grips a 10 to 21 inch wheel. Our professional model is similar, but it has a much larger range. So you'll see that on these blocks there's four individual facets, and there's a set of like gear dogs on the bottom. So we have a 17-inch wheel that we're going to clamp in. You'll see a range on the decal of 16 through 19. So a 17-inch wheel would fall within that range. And then you'll see there's 16, 17, 18, 19, 4 increments. So on our block we have 4 sides. So the smallest side, facing center, would represent 16, and then 17, 18, and 19 respectively. We only ever adjust the two dog blocks. The cam adjustment will cinch the wheel into the two dog blocks. So for a 16-inch wheel, theoretically, you're going to use the smallest setting toward the center of the frame. Ours is a 17, so we're going to go up one size with two blocks. So the wheel's going to push into the two dog blocks, fall into the flat lead section of the cam, and then progressively be tightened with the cam. So interestingly, this system is powder coat safe, it's chrome on aluminum safe, it's also carbon fiber safe. You can't over clamp a carbon fiber wheel. We're utilizing our patented design with UHMW polyethylene. And again, this allows the bead breaker to be used at waist level, because we're using the tops of the blocks as a press plate. So you got the non-mooring wedges on the T. There's a yellow dot, so the block is moved directly under the T and will squeeze and break the bead after the air is out of the tire. So if you're going to be dealing with skinny spoked wheels, dirt bikes, most dual sport, and a lot of Harleys with a puffed out tire, you're going to be using our other clamping system, which is our posi clamps.